Latest, Modern Kitchen Designs, 2024. Top kitchen decor ideas for 2024 to transform your space. Just keep watching. Welcome, dear viewers, and thank you for joining us today. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen decor, exploring the top trends that are set to dominate kitchens in 2024. A well-designed kitchen isn't just about functionality, it's about creating a space that reflects your style and personality. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the innovative ideas that will redefine kitchen decor in the coming year. Over the years, kitchen decor has undergone a remarkable transformation. What was once a purely utilitarian space has become the home's heart, where technology, sustainability, and personalization converge. In 2024, we're witnessing an unprecedented fusion of form and function, with a keen focus on creating environments that are both efficient and visually stunning. Enter the era of smart kitchen appliances, where innovation meets convenience. These cutting-edge devices are revolutionizing the way we interact with our kitchens, making tasks seamless and intuitive. From refrigerators that keep track of your groceries to ovens that can be controlled remotely, the possibilities are boundless. One of the standout features of modern kitchens in 2024 is the smart fridge. These marvels of technology come equipped with built-in touchscreens that allow you to create shopping lists, browse recipes, and even communicate with other smart devices in your home. But that's not all. They boast automatic inventory tracking, ensuring you never run out of essentials, and they're designed with energy efficiency in mind. Cooking has never been more effortless, thanks to the advancements in intelligent cooking devices. From ovens that adjust cooking times based on weight and desired level of doneness to induction cooktops that respond to your touch, precision, and perfection are now at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning up after a culinary masterpiece. 2024 brings us a new wave of automated cleaning systems. Robotic vacuum cleaners effortlessly glide across your kitchen floor, self-cleaning ovens save you time and effort, and smart dishwashers ensure your dishes sparkle with minimal water and energy consumption. The real magic happens when these smart appliances work together seamlessly. In 2024, compatibility is critical. Imagine your fridge communicating with your oven to preheat at the perfect time, or your cooking assistant syncing with your induction cooktop for precise temperature control. This interconnectedness elevates your kitchen experience to a whole new level. In 2024, sustainable kitchen design takes center stage. We're witnessing a shift towards eco-conscious choices that not only benefit the environment but also create healthier living spaces. This trend is a testament to our collective commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. The materials used in kitchen decor are undergoing a revolution. In 2024, we're seeing an increased use of recycled glass, bamboo, reclaimed wood, and other sustainable alternatives. These choices not only reduce our carbon footprint but also bring a unique, natural aesthetic to the kitchen. The appliances in today's sustainable kitchens are designed with energy efficiency in mind. From refrigerators with advanced insulation to induction cooktops that deliver precise heating while consuming less power, every aspect of these appliances is optimized to save energy without compromising performance. Bringing nature indoors is a hallmark of the sustainable kitchen in 2024. Indoor gardening and herb stations allow you to grow your own fresh produce right in your kitchen. This not only reduces food waste, but also provides a ready supply of flavorful, nutrient-rich ingredients for your culinary adventures. Managing waste responsibly is a cornerstone of sustainable kitchen design. In 2024, we're seeing the integration of composting systems, recycling stations, and smart waste management solutions. These innovations make it easier than ever to reduce, reuse, and recycle in the heart of your home. Your kitchen is a canvas for your personal style and preferences. In 2024, personalization takes on a whole new level of significance. It's about creating a space that feels uniquely yours, tailored to your lifestyle and needs. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all cabinetry. In 2024, kitchens will be adorned with customized cabinetry and storage solutions. These bespoke options are designed to maximize space, improve organization, and seamlessly integrate with the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Countertops and backsplashes are no longer just functional elements, they're works of art. In 2024, we're seeing an array of unique materials and designs that serve as the focal point of the kitchen. From luxurious marbles to bold, patterned tiles, these statement pieces add character and personality to your space. Elevate your kitchen decor with carefully curated artwork and decorative accents. In 2024, we're incorporating paintings, sculptures, and other artistic elements to infuse personality and charm into the space. These pieces not only add visual interest, but also create a warm, inviting ambience. Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood of your kitchen. In 2024, smart lighting solutions are taking center stage, allowing you to adjust brightness and color temperature, and even create dynamic lighting scenes to suit various occasions. This level of control empowers you to create the perfect ambience for cooking, entertaining, and more. We've taken a deep dive into the top kitchen decor trends of 2024. From the integration of smart appliances to the embrace of sustainable materials and the infusion of personal touches, the kitchens of tomorrow are set to be functional, stylish, and uniquely tailored to your lifestyle. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow kitchen enthusiasts. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest trends in home decor and design. Before we sign off, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this journey through the future of kitchen decor. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more cutting-edge insights in our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy decorating!